The time has come to depart the Hanksville, Caneville, Factory Butte area and head on over towards Blanding and then on up to Moab. And on the way, we're hoping to maybe get some shots around the Colorado River area and some of the beautiful rock formations in that area. Then maybe some Native American ancient ruins while we're over in the Blanding area, we're hoping. So we'll see how the weather holds out and how we're able to do that. But meanwhile, this is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger. Roll that intro. Cloudy out here now. We're down right here by the Colorado River. You can probably see this bridge behind me, and I thought it'd be fun to fly into that bridge with my drone just to see what it looks like. So we're gonna give that a shot. Well, we got fooled. Today was supposed to be Indian Ruins Day. We found a couple of spots we wanted to go see with some good Indian ruins, but we woke up to, I'd say 2 inches of snow this morning, and knowing that the roads are going to be slick and trying to get there and stuff, the Indian Ruins idea is down the toilet. That's okay, we'll get back here another time. And we're heading up to Moab. We're right now in Blanding. We're heading up to Moab, where it's supposed to be no snow at all on the ground right now, other than residual from previous snowstorms. So we're gonna go up and see what we can find of interest up there in Moab. So sorry you missed out on the Indian Ruins on this one, but we'll catch you on another one sometime. So let's head out. We have escaped the snow, the falling snow, as we've come about, I don't know, maybe 30 miles north of Blanding, out at a place called Needles Overlook. And as you can see, we've got some actual blue skies behind us, along with some beautiful clouds. So I thought I'd try to capture a shot with some snow in the foreground and those beautiful red cliffs in the background. Well, it's a couple hours later, a few hours, 3 or 4, and we have gone through Moab, stopped in Moab for a little lunch, and we're up in a place called Castle Valley. And as you can see behind me, maybe, it's very cloudy, very thick, heavy clouds on us. But in front of me, not such a bad thing. So maybe I'll show you a little shot of what's in front of me. As a new day dawns, we're off to a beautiful place near Canyonlands National Park known as Marlboro Point. Whew, it's burr cold out here this morning on the fourth morning. Temperature in my car says it's about 18 or 19 degrees, and there's a little bit of a breeze, and we're at a place called Marlboro Point, which is quite a trick to get to, as you'll see in some hyperlapse video, or you did see it or something. Anyway, I want to get some video of some of this ride out here in the snow. Not deep snow, thank heavens, or we would have never made it, but we are here, and we're going to try to get several different angles on this rock formation out in front of us. Sorry I don't have a name for it, but maybe if I find it I'll put it in the bottom of the picture for you. Anyway, still on the road, having a good time, getting some, hopefully trying to get some beautiful photos. This is probably just a little bit backwards because we just finished the drive up Onion Creek, and it's a beautiful drive. It's only about 9 miles, and almost any four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive vehicle could make it up there. You do cross the creek. I think I counted 33 times that I crossed the creek. Somebody said it was 27. Somebody else, and they also said it was about 9 miles up. I don't know if we really made it all the way to the top, but beautiful drive, fun drive. Got into some snow. Well, I'll show you some pictures and some video of it. So it was great. If you're down here near Moab, Utah, I would highly recommend it. From the Onion Creek Trail, it is a very short drive, a couple miles east, to the famously beautiful Fisher Towers, where we'll get some shots and then wind up another trip to amazing Moab, Utah. I think we'll wrap this trip up right here at Fisher Towers, not too awful far from Moab. And it's been a very interesting and enjoyable trip. Been to some places that we haven't been before. We didn't get the best weather, but hey, it's January. What do you expect in January in the high altitude places of Utah? So we did get some beautiful snow. Just haven't had a lot of blue skies. That we'd like to have seen some blue skies with some beautiful clouds in it, and we did get a few, so we really can't complain. So if you enjoyed this, hit that like button for us, and if you are not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. This is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger, and encouraging you, until next time, keep on keeping on.